If your air conditioner is not reaching the set temperature, there are several potential causes to consider. One possible reason is loose wiring, which can be identified by checking the back of the thermostat for any loose or exposed wires. However, addressing this issue may require professional assistance due to its complexity. An outdated thermostat can also be a contributing factor, as it may fail to accurately read the room temperature, leading to incorrect information being sent to the air conditioning unit. Upgrading to a newer thermostat can help prevent this problem. Additionally, a dirty thermostat can cause issues, as dirt accumulation inside the thermostat box can lead to overheated wires or other problems. Fortunately, cleaning the thermostat with a toothbrush can be a simple and effective solution. By considering and addressing these potential causes, you can easily fix your air conditioner and ensure it reaches the desired temperature.